The National Electrical Code, or NEC, mandates that ground fault circuit interrupters, often called GFCIs, in bathrooms must be installed within 3 feet of the outside edge of the sink basin or basins as stated in NEC section 406.4 D1. There are a couple of exceptions to this rule. Firstly, in recessed enclosures, GFCIs can be installed outside of the 3-foot zone if they are located within a recessed enclosure that is accessible only through an opening in the wall, per NEC section 406.4 D2. Secondly, in vanities with cabinets, GFCIs can be installed inside a vanity cabinet regardless of the distance from the sink basin, if the cabinet has an open bottom, also according to NEC section 406.4 D2. It is possible that an inspector might allow GFCIs to be installed lower than 3 feet on the wall, even if they are not in a recessed enclosure or inside a vanity cabinet. However, this interpretation is not strictly supported by the NEC. The requirement for GFCIs to be within 3 feet of the sink basin is rooted in the risk of electric shock. When using water in the bathroom, there is an increased likelihood of accidentally touching an electrical device that is close to the water source. Consequently, having GFCIs within 3 feet of the sink offers heightened protection against electric shock. To summarize, while an inspector may permit GFCIs to be installed lower than 3 feet on the wall, this is technically not a code-compliant practice. The NEC stipulates that GFCIs in bathrooms must be installed within 3 feet of the sink basin, unless they are situated in a recessed enclosure or inside a vanity cabinet with an open bottom. Understanding these requirements is essential for ensuring electrical safety in bathrooms and adhering to the NEC standards.